Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Canvas is one of the Gemini most powerful features. It lets you build interactive prototypes, write code and see live previews of your projects right in the chat. But when it won't load, or your Canvas documents keep disappearing, it feels like you have lost all your work. The most common complaints: Canvas documents vanishing after a refresh, or the files icon showing only updated files but not your generated Canvas documents. According to community experts, this is often a session hiccup or browser cache issue. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix Canvas not loading in Gemini. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, the files icon doesn't show Canvas documents. If you click the files icon in the top right corner and only see uploaded files, not your Canvas documents, you are not alone. This is a known display issue. The documents are still there, they just don't appear in that view. The workaround is to regenerate the document and export it immediately before it disappears. Then, regenerate and export right away. If your Canvas document disappears after a refresh, try this. So after you generate a Canvas document, export it immediately to save your work externally before it vanishes from the files view. This is a temporary workaround while Google addresses the underlying bug. You can also go and try to clear your browser cache and cookies. A display glitch often comes from old cache data, so you can go here, look for the cookies inside data, look for all of this, select them all and tap on remove. Then you can do a small refresh and use the website again. So that's the main idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.